a little bit good luck. You said it's pink color, so I'm going to be between two pinks. She's so positive. She said my lipstick is pink, and I don't even know because my makeup lady did it for me. Thank you, Arun Bakshi sir. I know that you have appointments and you're always busy, but I'm going to request you if you can stay back with us. We're going to have one performance, and after that we'll continue with the awards. I'm going to thank Sherlyn Chopra and request kindly be here with us. Your award, sure. So Arun Bakshi sir, there are some important awardees, so we'll finish with the awards first. So Aarti ji, you wait for some time. We have some awardees, or you in a rush? Yeah. Sure. So can we please have, as we present, as I said, our Devi is here with us. May we please present the lovely award to the very renowned actress. She's a singer, she's a performer, and one of the best mothers I've ever seen. Let me tell you, she's also a very renowned producer and a director. How many roles do you play? Let's give it up for Aarti Nagpal! My backstage team. Can we have the token of love also for Aarti Nagpal, please? इनका नाम ही आरती है ना? Hello. Once again, can you cut the sound, please?
अरुण बख्शी जी और मेरी बहुत बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है, दोस्ती है, रिश्ता है। क्यों? क्योंकि कितने लोगों ने, मुझे नहीं पता, काल साम्राज्य देखी है कि नहीं देखी है, सुनील शेट्टी की। मोनिका बेदी was the heroine, and in that film I performed item song, and the song was sung by अरुण बख्शी जी। आप लोग गूगल कर लीजिएगा, कोई है दीवाना, the song's name is, और जरूर देखिएगा। और इनको देखिएगा कितनी जोर जोर से चिल्ला चिल्ला के धमाल मचा के गाना गा रहे हैं।
बड़ी अच्छी एक्टर है, बीच में समय कुछ ऐसा खेला है, लेकिन इसने समय के साथ खेला है। शी हैज कम बैक। जब कम बैक है तो उसमें होप होती है। गिव हर ए ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज, व्हाई नॉट? इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेजर, ऑल द वे।
Very well said. Thank you to Hope Mirror Foundation for giving me this award. I'm very humbled and I'm very happy to be in my own Warsaw. This is my place, this is my house, you are my people, and I'm humbled to receive this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm going to give you the mic after some time. May we please invite the very lovely lady, the one and only Nupur. Ladies and gentlemen, heartfelt congratulations to the one who gives everyone the right news, and of course, as we all say, that the world belongs to the friends from the media. Nupur, the rock star, I love your look, man, and I love your attitude. So may we please invite our awardees. Let's give it up for Tahura Sheikh. Heartfelt congratulations to Mahini Lokhanjwala, Kunal Thakkar. Kunal, thank you Kunal. Thank you so much Kunal. It's absolutely an honor for us. May we please present the award in the center, Kunal. To Kunal Thakkar, please. Dr. Reshal is Kunal's very amazing brand, and you must use the products because I've tried it myself. So congratulations to Kunal Thakkar. May we please invite Puneet Bore. Heartfelt congratulations to our awardee, the rock star with a cap, Puneet Bore ji. So meanwhile, I have the award in my hand. Will you please kindly present the award which goes to the best show, and that is सास बहू और बेटियां. May we please give it up for our executive editor, television, Aaj Tak. Let's hear it for Amit Tyagi ji. Heartfelt congratulations to Amit Tyagi ji, presenting the Golden Prestige Award 2K21 to Amit Tyagi ji. Can I please backstage? I have the award for Kunal and Puneet and on behalf of Kunal Shaw, can we please present it to Kunal first? Sir, please strike a pose. Ramzan sir, please join us for the photograph. Congratulations to Kunal Thakkar. May we please present the award to Puneet Vore, please. Puneet Vore ji, it's here. Yeah, please. Aarti, Miss Aarti, please present it to Puneet. Yes, sir. Thank you. And congratulations to you, Puneet sir. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Amit Tyagi from Aaj Tak and the beautiful episode, I'm going to please request Noopur to collect the award on behalf of Mr. Amit Tyagi. Saas, Bahu और बेटियां, as well as it goes to Amit Tyagi ji. Congratulations, we love your look. Yeah, you always remind me of our Queen Falguni Pathak. So I'm gonna take this award from you and request you to be here with us. No, because I have to present you your award. I will give it back to you. She's thinking I'll take it home. No, my darling. Yes, sir. So before we present the award to Noopur from Aaj Tak, as we all know, it's our #1 favorite news channel, Aaj Tak. Arun Bakshi would like to say something about Noopur. Noopur, come in the center. Come next to Arun sir.
जैसे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में टैलेंट हंट वाले होते हैं और उनकी एक आंख होती है जो बड़ी पारखी होती है, वो टैलेंट ढूंढते हैं, चाहे वो सिंगर हो, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, क्रिएटिव हो, उनको ढूंढ के लाया जाता है। नूपुर जो है ये भी टैलेंट हंट है फॉर आज तक। ये आज की जनरेशन है, ये देखते हैं कौन अच्छी थिंकिंग वाला है, जो ग्लोबल थिंकिंग वाला है, जिसका गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैब है, जो बोलता अच्छा है या बोलती अच्छी है। और आप यकीन मानिए इनके फैसले सेकंड्स में होते हैं, सेकंड्स में। आई एम द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट। शी मेट मी इन वन, एक हमारा फिल्म जो था उसका मुहूर्त था, न्याय द जस्टिस, बेस्ड अपॉन सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, एंड आई वाज गिविंग हर इंटरव्यू। Then and there she gave a call to her office. Please take him for the debate in the evening. Bravo. इस तरह की जो जनरेशन है, they deserve a huge round of applause. और मैं तो चाहूँ कि मेरा अवार्ड भी इनको दे दीजिए। Such a huge talented. You must say something. Please. नहीं, नूपुर कहाँ बच के जाओगी? आज की बच के ना जाओगी। बोल ही दो कुछ, शाबाश। You're a good girl. Thank you very much. All yours. God bless you. आज तक कैसी है, मुस्कुरा रही है आज तक चैनल? गुड, ग्रेट। आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? आपकी आत्मा कह रही है कि आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? या इनकी आत्मा चीख चीख के बोल रही है, मुझे मौका दो, मुझे मौका दो। ये पहली अवार्ड है जिसको एक्शन रिप्ले भी चाहिए।
सर इसका मजा ही कुछ और है। But for now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Noopur Bakshi from Aaj Tak. Heartfelt congratulations. behalf of Hope Mirror Foundation, we'd like to present the Golden Prestige Award to Nupur Machi. Big congratulations. That was on behalf of Amit sir. That's what she wanted to give me the award. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to you, lovely Nupur. Nupur, your award is here, and I'll give you Amit Tyagi sir's award as well. Please, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. May we please invite our professional makeup artist, the recipient of the Golden Prestige Award, and the award goes to Maheen Bibi Lokhandwala. Maheen Bibi Lokhandwala, बहुत खूबसूरत हैं आप, and you were one of the first ones who were here, and looking so lovely. Thank you so much, and heartfelt congratulations to you. Congratulations to Maheen Bibi Lokhandwala. Ladies and gentlemen, times have changed, and of course, we always look forward to our comfort. Bhai Sahab, shukriya. Thank you, Bhai Sahab. Hello. Thank you, Bhai Sahab. Thank you. बहुत जोश आ रहा है, मुझे भी बहुत जोश है. Thank you. It's always amazing to actually get the news firsthand, that is on the tip of your fingers on the mobile phone. And Monday News is something that we always look forward to. Maybe please give it up for our awardee, Ramakant Mundeji. Hope Mirror Foundation presents the Golden Prestige Award to our very renowned photographer from Monday News, Mr. Ramakant Mundeji. Heartfelt congratulations to you, dear sir. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please kindly invite our rock star here in the house. And ladies and gentlemen, I can't see him, maybe you can find him. Inka to naam hi. Okay, sure. Ladies and gentlemen, and here we have our award for our lovely lady. The one who started